In this training video, we're going to look at adding text to a Visio shape and moving text around the Visio shape. So I'm going to put a rectangle onto the diagram page and I'm going to extend it to make it a bit bigger. Now I can add text in this example through the Home tab, Tools section of the ribbon, and choosing the text object. And I'm just going to type my name in. Now to come out to the text, you go back to the pointer tool in the Tools section of the ribbon, and this will give you your mouse pointer back, because at the moment the mouse pointer is still in the text object. So I'm going to get the mouse pointer back using the pointer tool, and then you can format the text like standard. You can change the font size, so you can choose different options. I'm going to change the color in this example as well. Okay, now I could have also have adjusted the text another way, but before I go another way with the text, I'm going to show you how to move text around a shape within Visio. So with the shape selected, on the Home tab in the Tools section of the ribbon, there's a feature called Text Block. This can be used to manipulate text in a Visio shape to move it into different positions against the Visio shape. So I click on Text Block, hover over my name, and I get a cross on the end of the mouse pointer, left click, and I can now move the text around. I can move it outside, inside, bottom, so I can move it where I want. I'm going to leave it top left in this example. To get the mouse back, because I haven't got a mouse right now, anytime you use the tools, you must use the pointer tool. So I've clicked on the pointer tool and I've now got my mouse back to enable me to do something else in Visio. So now I'm going to modify the text another way. With the shape selected, I can double left click the shape and amend the text. So in this case I'll add a underline, and I'll just change the font color. To come out to the text, I can just click anywhere in the Visio diagram page. So now I'm outside the text area. Now I can move the text again to a new position, click on the shape, text block, hover over where the text is. You get a cross on the end of your mouse. You can see on screen it says move text block, and I can now move it. I can reposition the text. This time I'll leave it bottom towards the right. Turn the pointer tool back on. And this now completes the training video on adding text to a shape in Visio, but also moving text around the shape using the text block feature. And when you've used the text block feature, to go back to the pointer tool to make sure you have your mouse back, so you can carry on with Visio and doing other things in Visio and carry on with different skills. But this completes the training video on adding text to a shape and moving text around the shape using the text block. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you for the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.